His mom and sister returned back to Warsaw while he and his dad continued to Mariupol. And then, a few days later, another text message came through. Ilya had made it. He wrote me an update the way he always texted, a long run-on sentences. Their apartment had light and water, though the internet was spotty and there was no gas, but they bought an electric stove yesterday, so no more of that. On the first day back, he made sure to see his grandmother. They hugged and drank tea together, just like old times. He walked around the neighborhood with his dad. He told me he was nervous about shock.
Я была на кладбище, очень много могил.
He told me, I went to the cemetery and there were so many graves. I can't even describe it to you. You can't even count them. It was so many. And this is only at one cemetery.
Оставили цветы, конфеты, печенька и...
We left some flowers, some candies, some cookies, a drink and some cigarettes.
Потом...
Because my mom's cousin and her husband, they used to smoke. And so that's a tradition. You just, you leave them each one cigarette. According to local officials, the Russian siege of Mariupol killed at least 22,000 people, and maybe a lot more. Ilya and I talked a lot over the past few weeks, and as time went on, I began to notice something in our calls. The things that once bothered him, the soldiers, the mud,